All right, guys, welcome to another video. We're going to be going over NVDA as well as an option strategy to make $400 relatively safely every single month selling puts on NVIDIA stock. So as we can see here, NVIDIA has had quite a bit of a sell-off from its all-time highs of around, let's see, it hit highs of almost $350. So right now we're sitting pretty low. Past that, the stock's been selling off, and we're sitting at 281.70. So right now, I think it's a good time to just buy and hold shares. It's a pretty nice price point. I like the stock under $300 per share, and we're really looking for the stock for the long term, especially since the metaverse is going to be coming in the future, and this is a solid stock and company to provide the GPUs for the metaverse. So they're doing really good stuff with that. So here's an option strategy that I'm utilizing to make $400 every single month pretty safely on this stock. And we're going to be selling cash cured puts. So as you can see, I have a 225 cash cured put sold for next week, or not next week, for January 21, 2022. So pretty much exactly a month from now. And I sold it for almost $400. That's going to be about a $400 return of profit in 1 month. So selling these contracts can yield quite a bit of premium if you just have a lot of capital to sell multiple puts. And I sold at 225 because that's pretty far out of the money. It's $60 under the current stock price. And I don't mind owning shares of the stock if it does drop that low. I think it will stay relatively flat over the next coming months. But I decided to do something pretty safe because there's a lot of uncertainty with the market as well as the Omicron variant. So I just want to be a bit safer, went down pretty low and chose a pretty safe strike that I wouldn't mind owning shares at, $225 per share. And as we can see here, if we scroll down the options chain, we're going pretty far deep and there's a very high chance of profit, 86 chance of profit right here. Delta's pretty low, theta's pretty high. So this contract's already decayed about $60 when I opened it last Friday morning, I think. Sorry, not Friday morning. It was actually like Wednesday morning. But yeah, it's already decayed $60. And I do think that the stock's going to stay relatively flat. And as we can see on the chart, it's really hitting the lower end of the Bollinger Band as well as the 50-day moving average. There's decent volume, so it's really in this consolidation phase right now. And as you can see on the RSI, it is slightly leaning towards, it's pretty much on point with the fair value at $281 per share. So we're really looking towards that, and we can just keep selling some puts on NVIDIA stock every single month and collecting around $400, $500 of premium. Of course, if you're more bullish, you could sell something like a 240 and collecting $558 of premium, or even a 250 and you can collect $783. So lots of premium to be made with this stock, but this is a really good stock for the long term. So you could just outright buy and hold shares, and that will probably be pretty profitable, especially with the metaverse being in the long term future. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.